Creativation 2018, and we're super excited because there's a sneak peek right now of LaurDIY's new brand that's coming out. We don't know where it's going to be sold, but I've been told it's going to come out sometime this year, that you guys will be able to get this stuff. But we're going to walk through the entire portion of LaurDIY stuff and give you a little sneak peek of the things that she's made with her DIY stuff. And I'm just going to tell you right now, it's the cutest line ever, and I'm super excited for it to come out someday. I don't know when that is, but I'm really excited. So let's get going.